All right, we're off starting for another day here. I got these post holes dug, and we had to go to the boneyard, the scrap yard, and find some pipe that they had there. And we're going to make an H here. Going to put several of them along the property to be able to attach the barbed wire to so we can pull against it. So the hole is dug. Looks like digging concrete. Next thing is to fill it up with concrete. We got everything loaded up with water and concrete. All right, let me get started. All right, what we're doing today is laying out all the T-posts. We went and picked them all up. We're starting to laying them out at 16 foot. We've already, I'll show you over here, went and got all the barbed wire. We have that all stacked up over here. You can see over there's the barbed wire. We need a lot of it. And then we have the side-by-side over there loaded with the T-posts, and now we're going along using this string with 16 feet to lay this out. Tomorrow we rent a machine that beats them into the ground instead of us doing it. All right, let's carry on. All right, here we are setting the T-posts. We laid them all out yesterday going down the row, and now we have this machine that actually makes it pretty easy, except it weighs 50 pounds. So what we do is Carolyn will tip up the posts and get them in place, and then I'll go over there and carry the machine over, and we'll start whacking it down. Well, the machine's killing our arms because we're old geezers, but we're moving right along, just following the contour. That's why they go up high and low of the property. Well, we're about halfway done, but I feel like my arms are all the way done. Enough complaining, let's carry on. Here's Carolyn hard at work. We're a team out here today. Well, it's an absolute beautiful day to do this job. We're moving right along. 700 feet is a long way when you're putting in T-posts. All right, enough jabbering, back to work. Beautiful day.
Oh, what you do? Oh, it's on video. Oh, what you do? Oh, it's on video.
All right, well, this is the Homestead Handyman and Carolyn, and we're wrapping up this job. We just put in 700 feet of T-posts. It's about 500 feet. That's
no,
it.
I thought it was 700 feet.
700 feet, 50 T-posts. Yeah, that's it. I stand corrected.
Yes, of course.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, and give us the old thumbs up. This is the Homestead Handyman out.